Little sparrow, chirp, chirp, cheer. Hopping close, you come so near. Tiny wings that flap so fast. Morning songs that always last. On the roof or in a tree, happy little bird you be.
Pigeon!
Pigeon walking in the square, bobbing head without a care, flapping wings and flying high, circles in the big blue sky, cooing softly, calm and slow, friendly bird we always know.
Parrot!
Parrot green with beak so bright, talking words with great delight. Hello, hello, it loves to say, chatting all throughout the day. Colorful and full of fun, talking bird for everyone.
Duck!
Duck goes quack by the pond, swimming, splashing all beyond. Waddling walk is fun to see, happy as a bird can be. Little feet go tap, 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 with a wiggle and a flap, a flap.
Rooster!
Rooster crows at break of day, cock-a-doodle-doo, it'll say. Wake up, sun, and wake up, you. Morning starts with something new. Standing tall upon the farm, with a loud and proud alarm.
Eagle!
Eagle soaring way up high, gliding through the open sky. Sharp eyes watching far below, strong wings in the wind will go. King of birds so brave and free, flying with such majesty.
Crow!
Black crow caws, caw, caw loud, sitting high and looking proud. Smart and quick it hops around, searching food upon the ground. Shiny things it likes to take, clever choices it will make.
Kingfisher!
Kingfisher by riverside, watching fish that swim and glide. Sudden dive and splash so neat, catches food so quick and sweet. Blue and orange shining bright, such a colorful delight.
Woodpecker!
Woodpecker taps on the tree, knock, knock, knock so busily. searching bugs beneath the bark, working hard from dawn till dark. Tiny hammer in its beak, strong and steady, never weak.
Peacock.
Peacock dancing in the rain, spreading feathers once again. Colors shining big and bright, such a truly lovely sight. Twirl and shake with happy cheer, nature's beauty standing here.